What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, we have the Knox Safety Carbon Monoxide Alarm. I'm gonna be straightforward with y'all. Got this from Walmart. I think the alarms I have does carbon monoxide detection, but I am not 100% sure. So, in order to be 99.9% sure, we went to Walmart and got one. The reason why I got one is because our furnace went out. I said it in my my greenhouse video that we didn't have no heat, right? So we have a new furnace, and I just want to make sure that we are all safe. Now, if you don't know nothing about carbon monoxide, it tells you right back here. It says learn the most common threats right there, and I'll just go over them with you. You have cracked heat exchange in the furnace. Then you have the malfunctioning of gas, or what does that say? I can't even read that. It's so small. Okay, kerosene heater. I used to have a kerosene heater years ago. Got rid of it, but anyways, I'll probably look back into that because I want to figure out a way to heat up the garage without having to, you know, a little bit more efficiently. Anyways, all right, so you have damaged or poorly vented gas appliance. All right, running car in attached garage. Now, that is something that a lot of people don't know. So when you run your car in your garage, it's not really safe to do that. So just be aware of that. That's why this is good to have. All right, we're coming down to the last four. Fireplace is not venting properly. All right. Now we have, okay, so here's another one. Grilling indoors or without adequate ventilation. So, if you grill indoors, which I wouldn't recommend, but you shouldn't do that, okay? That's another reason why you might have a carbon monoxide issue in people's homes. Another one is improper use with your portable generator. This is a big one, all right? If you lose electricity and you have a generator, do not use it in your house or your garage. You should be having your generator far away as possible. All right, and last and not least, we have leaking or damaged water heater vent pipe. All right, so all of this is dealing with your gas. All right, and that's about it. Now with this alarm right here, as you can see, it hooks straight to the outlet. Before I open this box, I'm gonna give you one disclaimer. The price of this thing is 40 bucks. That's just straight. I'm being straightforward with y'all. And that's about it. So there goes the box. And let's get into it so y'all can see what it looks like. Looks just like a little thermostat, right? All right, so here we go. This is basically plug and play, and we are about to plug and play. Let's get to it. All right, you guys, so right here it says the only alarm that informs, directs, and alerts you in an emergency. All right, and over here it tells you the warnings. So it has the warnings right there on the top. It says the carbon monoxide levels, so it has the carbon monoxide level right there. And it tells you emergency instructions. So one, they got call 911. Then they got exit. So you call 911, exit the house. Let me go ahead and put this in. All right, does anything? Okay, so in the back, you got a whole bunch of Egyptian encryptions. It's like, no, just kidding. So they right here they got just a whole bunch of directions. So they got alarm guide. 4 beeps is a co-alarm. 2 beeps every 30 seconds. End of life and replace. So you know if you ever watched anybody videos, you hear beep, beep, beep in the background, and they never want to change their fire alarms. It gets kind of annoying, right? Plug in.
Congratulations. You have just powered up your Knox carbon monoxide alarm. Please press the test reset button to ensure that the unit is working. Press status button to repeat this message.
Okay, so let me put y'all here. It says press the test and reset to make sure it's working. I don't know if y'all can see that screen or not. Alright, so it would be nice if the screen was LED, right? Let's see.
You have started a test of this alarm. This test will be loud.
Oh, this is gonna be
Please
loud.
press the test reset button again if
I'll
you
turn
would
the
like
volume
to stop
down, you
the
guys.
test.
Where's the noise?
Dangerous level of carbon monoxide detected. Evacuate immediately. Call 911.
Okay. Hey, let's go to status.
There are no alerts. You can look forward to being protected by this Knox safety alarm for 10 years. Presione el botón de estatus para cambiar las alertas de inglés a español.
Why I sound like I'm on a phone operator system? Let's see what peak.
Your unit has not recently detected carbon monoxide. No further action is required. You are protected by Knox safety.
Alright, you guys, so this thing has an annoying sound. Like, you know that one sound where it sound like busy line on somebody else's line? That's the sound that I'm hearing. Let me take it off real quick. Alright, sound off. Now let's put it back in.
Congratulations. You have just powered up your Knox carbon monoxide alarm. Please press the test reset button to ensure that the unit is working. Press status button to repeat this message.
No, we're not doing that. Alright, you guys, so this thing has a weird noise to it. There's not too much you can do. There's only 3 buttons here. Peak.
Your unit has not recently detected carbon monoxide. No further action is required. You are protected by Knox safety.
Yeah, you guys. So this thing is okay. For one, it would be nice for it to have LED light on it. That way, you can actually see the thing without walking all the way up to it. You only have 3 buttons right here. Alright, it says red equals move to fresh air. Alright. It says do not paint, blase blase. Alright, you guys, so we are on the final conclusion of this Knox safety carbon monoxide alarm. I like the concept. I actually like the concept of it being powered by your outlet. Okay, now I don't know how much energy this thing uses for the people that's worried about the energy bill, but I do like the concept. Okay, you guys, so this is battery and electrical, right? So I have the battery on right now. They said this is a 10-year backup battery. It says it right here on the box, so in case y'all, come at me or something. 10-year battery backup, never needs replacing. All right, so that's what it says. It's obviously still on. I hit test.
You have started a test of this alarm. This test will be loud.
I'm obviously
Please
not plugged in.
press the test reset button again if you would like to stop the test.
I don't want the test. All right, I hit peak.
Your unit has not recently detected carbon monoxide.
In status.
There are no alerts.
All right.
You can look forward
So,
to being
there you
protected
go.
by this Knox safety alarm for 10 years. Presione el botón de estatus para cambiar las alertas de inglés a español.
Okay. So, as you can see, it works. Now, the only con that I have with this, all right, the only con that I have, now I will return this back to Walmart. I will get the same one just to see if it's not just the unit or if that's just how it is. When you plug in this thing, it has like the 1990s dial-up tone, or or that tone where it goes, you know, that tone back in the day, that horrendous tone. This thing does that tone the whole time it's plugged in, and you can hear it. Like, my basement is 1,500 square foot, right? You can hear it through the whole 1,500 square foot. It's annoying. So, with that being said, for $40, I don't want to hear nothing. You see, you hear anything right now? Besides me. That's how I want this thing to be. So we will be returning this. We will get it again. All right, you guys. Like, comment, and please subscribe.